Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Google account name. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. Make sure you sign in to your Google account. Next, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. Now you'll be in your Google account dashboard. On the left hand side, click on Personal Info. Under Basic Info, you'll see your name. Click on it to edit. Now enter your new first and last name, then click Save. To confirm, check the top right corner of the Google page to see your new name displayed. It might take a few minutes to update across all Google services. And that's it, you've successfully changed your Google account name. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.